This video is part 2 of Reading 2, Unit 5, Reading 2. Hopefully you watched the first part, which was from class on Wednesday, and now I'm going to go to the second part, which is starting with paragraph 5. So let me read the paragraph. Although the importance of sleep is clear, many people do not get enough sleep. Many adults have sleep problems or insomnia. They cannot fall asleep easily, or they wake up and cannot go back to sleep. There are many reasons for this. Some people have health problems that prevent them from sleeping well. Other people eat or drink something, such as coffee, that keeps them awake. However, the most important reason for insomnia is stress. People often feel stress, for instance, when they work too hard, or if they are worried about something. Let's look at some important parts of this essay, or this paragraph. First, we have a contrast connecting word, although. The importance of sleep is clear. Many people do not get enough sleep. So this is the contrast. Sleep is important, but many people do not get enough sleep. Here we have a different connecting word, or. This tells us a definition. So sleep problems and insomnia have the same meaning. That's what or means us. People cannot fall asleep easy, and fall asleep is actually one of our vocabulary words, fall asleep. So in this portion, fall asleep, the meaning of fall asleep is to go to sleep in the night, to begin sleeping in the night. Okay, so that's what the meaning of fall asleep is. Okay. Next, we have a different connecting word, which is a example connecting word. There are many reasons for this. So here we have some reasons. Some people have health problems that prevent them from sleeping well. That's one reason. Other people eat or drink something like coffee that keeps them awake. However, the most important reason is stress. And they use this connecting word, however, before the final reason, just to show that it is the most important reason. People often feel stress, for instance, notice this connecting word, for instance, when they work too hard or if they are worried about something. So, this also tells us a little bit of the meaning of the word stress. So stress means when you work too hard or worry about something. So that's another one of our vocabulary words is stress. Okay, since we've read this paragraph, let's go ahead and read the next one. Paragraph 6. There are some things you can do if you do not get enough sleep during the day. One solution is a nap, a short sleep during the day. A short nap of about 10 to 15 minutes can help restore your energy and improve your response time. Many famous people in history liked to take naps. Albert Einstein, Winston Churchill, and Ronald Reagan often took naps. They believed that naps helped them work better. So here we have a word that shows a definition of a nap. A nap means a short sleep during the day. So that dash shows us the meaning of the word nap. So now that we've read, let's read the last paragraph and then we will finish answering the question. Paragraph 7. Sleep is important for health and safety, so it is unfortunate that many people do not get sufficient sleep. So let's highlight some of these things. Unfortunate means like bad or not good. It is too bad that many people do not get sufficient sleep. Sufficient means enough. Those are our vocabulary words from this part. If you cannot fall asleep or stay asleep, here are some ideas that may help you. Try to go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Don't eat just before you go to bed. Don't drink coffee or alcohol before you go to bed. Don't work just before you go to bed. Do something that is low stress for at least 30 minutes before you go to bed. Read a book, listen to quiet music, or watch television. Make sure your room is not too hot or too cold. Make sure your bed is comfortable. We have one more vocabulary word here, which is at least. At least 30 minutes means 30 minutes should be the smallest amount. Maybe you could do more. So I hope that maybe you can think about some of those strategies too. Let's find the main idea for paragraph 5, 6, and 7, since we have not yet done those paragraphs, okay? So hopefully you can tell that the main idea for paragraph 5 is many people do not sleep enough. So for this one, it would be paragraph 5. Many people do not sleep enough. Paragraph 6 would be E. A nap can help if you do not sleep enough. Number 6 is all about naps. Okay, so number 5 was about getting enough. Many people don't sleep enough. A nap is a solution. And then we have paragraph 7. There are things you can do to help you fall asleep. And that provides the list of things you can do. Let's go ahead and answer the questions that we have not answered yet. So let's find the answer to number 5. Why do people have trouble falling asleep? Circle 3 answers. So you can pause the video and try to answer this question. Okay, so we have the first one they listed was health problems. The second one they listed was eating or drinking something like coffee. And the third one was having a lot of stress. So these two were not in the reading. Even though they might be possible, they were not in the reading. Number 6 is actually about paragraph 6. Which of the following statements are true about naps? Circle 2 answers. You can pause the video if you'd like to look at that. But this is true. Many famous people have liked to take naps, and they can restore your energy. Restore means bring your energy back. Maybe you agree with letter C. It makes it difficult to sleep at night, but that was not in the reading. And then what are some of the ideas of people who cannot sleep at night? Let's circle 3 answers. You can pause it again. So the ones that were in the reading were do something low stress, go to bed and wake up at the same time, and don't drink coffee at night. Okay, let's look at the skill review very quickly. This was something that showed us some definitions and examples. So for example, response time. We see, for example, gives us some examples of what a response time is, how long it takes us to respond to something. We already talked about nap, having this one. A dash, and this one also has a dash for reduction, 1 hour less. And we talked about insomnia being or. Okay, so I hope this helps you understand the reading. Make sure to also study the vocabulary on page 147 as well. Thank you.